Are you struggling to find the perfect skin mask to meet your skincare needs? Whether you're targeting acne, dryness, dullness, or just want a refreshing pick-me-up, choosing the right mask can transform your skincare routine. In this video, we'll review the top 5 skin masks that cater to a variety of concerns: Origins Clear Improvement, Fresh Rose Face Mask, Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask, Tatcha Violety Radiance Mask, and Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. By the end, you'll know which mask is your perfect match. Kicking off our list at number 1, Origins Clear Improvement. The Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask is a powerhouse product designed to deeply cleanse and purify your skin. It's particularly effective for those battling clogged pores and excess oil, offering a spa-like detox from the comfort of home. Key features: this mask features activated charcoal to draw out impurities and white china clay to absorb toxins and environmental pollutants. The creamy texture ensures even application, and its fragrance-free formula is suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this mask unclogs pores, reduces blackheads, and leaves your skin feeling refreshed and clean. Ideal for oily and combination skin, it works best when used once a week. Apply a thin layer to clean, damp skin, let it dry for 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Usability: easy to apply and remove, this mask fits seamlessly into any skincare routine. It spreads smoothly, and a little product goes a long way, making it both effective and economical. Durability: packaged in a sturdy, travel-friendly tube, this mask is built to last. A single tube can provide months of weekly use, making it a long-term investment for clearer skin. In the second spot, we have Fresh Rose Face Mask. The Fresh Rose Face Mask is a luxurious hydration treatment infused with real rose petals to soothe and nourish the skin. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their skin's moisture levels and achieve a radiant complexion. Key features: this mask contains rosewater for hydration, cucumber extract to cool and calm, and aloe vera to soothe irritation. The unique gel texture is lightweight, making it perfect for daily use. It's also free of parabens and sulfates, ensuring it's gentle on the skin. Benefits and usage: this mask hydrates, tones, and improves skin texture. Its cooling formula is ideal for sensitive or sun-exposed skin. To use, apply a generous layer on cleansed skin, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. Usability: the Fresh Rose Face Mask is incredibly versatile, suitable for both morning and evening routines. Its lightweight formula ensures it won't clog pores, and the refreshing scent enhances the pampering experience. Durability: the sturdy glass jar packaging preserves the product's freshness, and a little goes a long way. Regular use ensures your skin stays hydrated and glowing over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask. The Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask 2X is a multitasking clay mask that targets enlarged pores, excess oil, and dullness. It's a must-have for those with oily or combination skin looking for a deep cleanse. Key features: this mask is formulated with Jeju volcanic clusters to absorb excess oil, AHAs for gentle exfoliation, and finely ground walnut shells for a physical scrub. Its creamy clay texture makes application and removal a breeze. Benefits and usage: the mask exfoliates, tightens pores, and brightens the skin, leaving it smooth and refreshed. Use it once or twice a week, applying an even layer to cleansed skin. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Usability: the mask's non-drying formula ensures your skin doesn't feel tight or uncomfortable. It's easy to incorporate into your routine, and its multitasking abilities save time by addressing multiple concerns at once. Durability: packaged in a compact, airtight jar, this mask stays fresh for months. Its thick formula means you'll only need a small amount per use, ensuring great value for the price. Taking our 4th spot is Tatcha Violety Radiance Mask. The Tatcha Violety Radiance Mask is a luxurious, brightening treatment designed to reveal glowing, youthful skin. Packed with vitamins and superfoods, it's ideal for dull and uneven skin tones. Key features: this mask features Japanese beautyberry for antioxidant protection, 2 types of vitamin C for brightening, and AHA from fruit extracts for gentle exfoliation. Its creamy texture and vibrant purple hue make it a treat to use. Benefits and usage: the mask boosts radiance, smooths skin texture, and diminishes the appearance of dark spots. Suitable for all skin types, apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse off. Usability: its smooth application and non-dripping formula make it easy to use. The luxurious packaging and spa-like scent elevate your skincare routine to a pampering experience. Durability: the heavy-duty glass jar preserves the product's integrity, and its rich formula ensures a little goes a long way. Regular use keeps your skin glowing and youthful for weeks to come. And finally, at number 5, we have Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. The Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask is a refreshing, hydrating treatment that soothes and revitalizes tired skin. It's perfect for post-sun exposure or when your skin needs a calming reset. Key features: this mask is infused with cucumber extract, papaya, chamomile, and aloe vera to hydrate and calm the skin. The gel texture provides a cooling effect, making it ideal for all skin types. Benefits and usage: it soothes irritation, hydrates dry patches, and reduces puffiness, making it a versatile mask for any occasion. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, leave it on for 10 minutes, and rinse off or leave it on overnight for an intensive treatment. Usability: lightweight and easy to spread, this mask feels refreshing on the skin. It's suitable for both quick fixes and longer treatments, fitting into any skincare routine seamlessly. Durability: the sturdy jar packaging ensures the product remains fresh, and its large size offers excellent value. With consistent use, this mask will keep your skin calm and hydrated for months. Finding the perfect skin mask doesn't have to be daunting. Whether you need deep detoxification with the Origins Clear Improvement, hydration from the Fresh Rose Face Mask, multitasking benefits of the Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask, radiance from the Tatcha Violety Radiance Mask, or soothing relief from the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask, there's a product here for everyone. Choose the mask that aligns with your skin goals and elevate your skincare routine to the next level. Here's to healthier, glowing skin,